Vishnu, we all know that the 12th class exam is one of the most important exam for in any student's career. I am joined by Jojo Phillips. He just gave that maths exam and he's right now terrified because he's got another exam coming tomorrow. So we won't take up much of your time. When you saw this paper, what went through your mind, the maths exam paper?
Sir, we were thinking that how we will solve this paper in just 3 hours. So because we also need to manage time accordingly. If we'll give 15 minutes for A section and then around 1 hour 15 minutes for B section, and there is C section which requires very much time. So according
You probably spent the entire year, academic year, studying, preparing for this one moment. So when this exam, when this paper came, I think many of your friends who were giving the same exam must have equally been baffled as to where this paper came from.
Yeah, after the got over, most of my friends were crying. They were saying that they need to be preparing for compartment because it was very tough paper.
Compartment basically means that if you fail the exam, you're allowed to give it once again.
Yeah.
This is a competitive exam. This will determine whether you get into a top college or a college at all. So the pressure is there on all of you. The CBSE is now saying it's going to perhaps see this once again, put it to its experts. What's your plea to the CBSE? What's your appeal perhaps to the CBSE?
So I'm expecting from CBSE that they should reconduct the examination, but it will also be like we are reappearing, so we need to study again, which is not fair at all. And of course, it will result in our downfall of our result, because if we'll not get good enough percentage in our maths examination, yeah, it will be resulting in our downfall.
And I see you have a prayer room in your room also where you are studying. I guess that's always, I think, seeking blessings. But clearly, I think nothing could have prepared you for this kind of exam, this kind of paper.
Yeah, sure, sir. Because when we saw the paper, the first reaction which came in my mind was which paper I'm giving.
Which paper are you giving? That's a question that many people, I think, face. Well, best of luck for your next exam. As you heard it there from Jojo Phillips, is one of the thousands of people who actually gave that maths exam, wondering where this paper came from. Will they get some kind of relief from the CBSE? Well, that's the news from Delhi.